Hey guys, don't mind my lip plumper. Today we're gonna do some makeup and get ready. Okay, let's get started. You are doing the Wet n Wild Glass Correct Primer. I have a little bit of mascara on because I had to take some pictures earlier with a product for like a review type thing. Why was there so much on my forehead? I love redness correcting primers. This one's been out for about like 4 years now. I don't even have it facing the right way. I'm gonna highly recommend that. Hold on, I'm gonna get my iced coffee before I tell you guys this. So I went to get my 99-cent iced coffee today. Shout out to the McDonald's app. And the girl in the drive-thru told me like I was so pretty. And I did not even look like this. I looked like not good. I had nothing on my face, like no lashes, no lip gloss, like nothing. And she was super nice. Like a random act of kindness. Okay, I've been doing really brushed up brows, but today I think I'm gonna just, instead of going for a fluffy brow look, I'm gonna go for a thinner brow look. This is the NYX Lift and Snatch. Like, yeah, I don't know, I just want like a thin brow look today. Like early 2000s-esque. Yes!
Yeah.
Just using a little Dermatology concealer with SPF, even though it is not sunny out today. And yeah, I heard about this new trick where you let the concealer dry before you blend it. Like, it blends easier or something. I don't know, just look it up. Been kind of a rough week. Let me know how you guys' week is going. But that girl at McDonald's, I feel like that was God giving me a little pick-me-up. Favorite thing for face coverage right now, I have the shade Light 205N. This is the Camo CC cream from e.l.f. This is very affordable and it's very effective, nice like satiny finish. It has SPF 30. All of a sudden I have all these products with SPF, moisturizer, concealer, CC cream, which is great, I guess. I mean, shit, not complaining. But yeah, like I only need like a little bit. I look white, I need some definition. And I also might do super straight hair today. I also might just leave it how it is. Yeah, I think I'll just leave it because it looks okay. So why would I like go straighten it? Desert Island Beauty. I forgot what the S stands for. This contour blush duo is in the shade 1.5. I'm not going to use the blush on this. I don't think. I kind of prefer my e.l.f. blush. This is a small business, Moray Beauty. This is the Sunrise Multi-Stick, but I'm just using it actually on my eyes today. It's a really nice little bronzy glow. I'll just fix that up. And then I have the Youngblood Mineral Cosmetics Starlit Quad palette. This is really beautiful, and it's funny because I found this shade right here. It's actually the perfect shade for my nose contour. It's hard to find like that perfect contour shade, but I really like this for my nose. gonna get blended for sure. And then I like the super shimmery as well. Definitely should be in the inner corner. So I have my e.l.f. blush in Peony, and I'm actually gonna mix some highlighter in with this. I want a really, oh, that's beautiful. All right, I just pulled off like the perfect wing for the TikTok video that I'm also making right now. So let's see if I can do it on the other eye. Not bad. Go back to that Youngblood Mineral palette to get some of the shimmer. Mix it in with the blush. Okay, time for lip liner. This is ColourPop So Juicy in the shade Slay, and I will show you what I pump my lips with today. One sec. Tinted lip balm in the shade Stacy from Petty Pout. I like the way when I have a liner on, it just kind of like seamlessly blends it. This is the Wellage Hyaluronic Lip Plumper that I did use today, and I think it did give me an extra little plump. The last step is just gonna be a little dewy setting spray from Anastasia. Not gonna do a lot because I'm not really going anywhere. And I don't like to waste setting spray. This is the final look.